This is a 3D printed part. And this is not a 3D printed part. This mold is 3D printed from ABS material. First, I'll apply our mold release. The paste fills in layer lines and provides excellent disengagement between the mold and part. You don't have to apply a lot. A thin film goes a long way. You can also use spray mold release. However, 1 can of our mold release is equivalent to about 10 bottles of mold release spray. Now that our mold is ready, let's do our injection. This is the injection nozzle. We'll be using our rigid material, but third-party resins also work. First, press the fill button and confirm auto priming. This prepares the device for injection. Injection takes just a few seconds, and let me show you how it flows into the mold. Instead of swapping nozzles each time, this device features an onboard cleaning system. Simply activate the cleaning sequence and click the button on the nozzle. Press the resin fill button and confirm auto priming. Now we inject.
Yep. Good enough. And clean it.
And now we'll run the cleaning sequence. And you can see we're bubble free. We resin casted it with no degassing. The resin's been sitting around for a few weeks and it looks great. This is how it looks whenever you combine the two molds together. Now that our part is cured, let's open it up. We'll be launching on Kickstarter next month, so subscribe for more videos and updates.